Welcome to my channel online earning course. In this video we learn about how to earn money online through Instagram Let's Play.
Welcome to section 4 of our Instagram Marketing 3.0 video training. Additional tips to consider. In this section, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. Do's and don'ts. Do's. Use your profile to promote your product pages. The website field in your profile is a piece of overlooked Instagram real estate that you can use to get extra traffic to your product pages. So make sure to use it to promote your profitable sections of your site to people looking at your bio. Ask questions to engage your audience. One of the best ways to engage with your audience is by asking questions, as questions basically force people to weigh in with their opinions. Post on a consistent basis. Posting on a schedule will ensure that your audience comes back for more on a timely basis because it will know when you're most likely to post. Engage with other business profiles. Engaging with other brand profiles on Instagram through comments, likes, and by following hashtags will expose you to their own following, giving you a chance to get more followers as well. Stylize your profile. Instagram is already full of profiles fighting for attention. So make sure to stylize your own brand's account look to stand out and get more eyes on your awesome content. Plan your Instagram posts. Plan your Instagram posts by carefully thinking of your copy, your images, and your hashtags to get the best results possible. Use industry-relevant hashtags. Make sure to use hashtags that are related to your content to match it with people looking at the keywords targeted on your hashtags. Analyze your account. Use your intuition as well as third-party analytic tools to keep track of your followers, your photos, likes, and comments. Promote user-generated content. Sharing something shared by your own followers is a surefire way to get your engagement rates through the roof. Don'ts. Don't use Instagram bots. You might be tempted to use an automatic responder or following bots, but in doing so you risk being perceived as a spammer, not a brand. Don't post irrelevant content. While off-topic posts are not bad on occasion, avoid posting about stuff that is not centered around your brand or business, or you will end up losing your audience. Don't overpost. Keeping your audience engaged 2 or 3 times a day is okay by all standards, but posting any one of your passing thoughts is going to be annoying for most, so don't do it. Don't neglect your account. Going the other way and not posting regularly is just as bad as posting too much, as you risk your followers losing interest in your content. Don't overdo hashtags. Hashtags are necessary, but too many of them are not going to help you, so keep them on the down low, with 10 hashtags per post at most. Don't neglect quality. Instagram is all about the visuals, so make sure to post only the best quality images according to Instagram standards. Don't overpromote products. Your followers already know that you are a brand and that you are all about the profits, but nothing will turn them off more quickly than regular product-centered posts. Don't steal photos. Don't use someone else's images unless you plan to mention them, as that would make you an Instagram pirate. Arr! Don't leave your bio empty. Adding something besides your company name and address on your bio, such as a short bio, a relevant picture, and a relevant URL, is essential. Don't focus on numbers. Don't base your Instagram success by the number of followers that you have, but by how they engage with you. That is the best way to measure how good your brand is doing. Premium tools and services to consider. Grum. One of the most resounding complaints that you'll hear from Instagram marketers is that it doesn't allow them to schedule posts, which means that there's no way to create a post to be posted later than now. Now, there are other Instagram post scheduling apps on the market, sure, but Grum is the only one that allows you to create and schedule posts right from your desktop. Inc. 361. Ask a marketer what they wish they had, and he or she will tell you a crystal ball. Knowing what followers like and what they don't is something that can take you lots of effort to unravel. Inc. 361 can help you to take off some of that load by allowing you to analyze competing accounts to see what their audience likes so you can apply some of their strategies on your own campaigns. In short, it is an app for actionable insight discovery. Crowdfire. One of the most popular practices on Instagram is to find popular accounts that have a large number of followers that meet the criteria of your target audience. Follow them, then hope that doing so doesn't backfire. Crowdfire can help you to avoid all the guesswork by letting you see those that you follow but that are not following you back, then letting you to unfollow them with a simple click without you having to go to Instagram first. 𝐄𝐚𝐫𝐧. There's nothing more discouraging than mapping out a marketing plan that you see as perfect based on analytic data to later see it fail. 𝐄𝐚𝐫𝐧 is a dedicated analytics tool that will allow you to analyze data from all angles, such as what hashtags would work the best for you and what times of day are best for posting. A color story. Your images are more important to your Instagram marketing plan than you would think they actually are. And using an app such as a color story to enhance your marketing images will give your Instagram assets a look that is more professional and unique than what you would be able to achieve using Instagram filters. Snap widget. Wouldn't it be amazing if you could easily share your Instagram posts on channels other than your integrated social accounts? Well, we've got good news here, because you can use Snap widget to easily embed your Instagram feed directly to your website on autopilot. Repost. Creating an interconnected community is one of the best marketing strategies out there, and one of the best ways to do it is by sharing content posted by others on your own Instagram feed. The Repost app will allow you to do it the easy way, by letting you repost photos and videos from other business accounts while also giving them credit, which can help you to attract followers from other popular accounts. Word swag. Snapping nice photos on Instagram is not hard, but creating engaging marketing images is different. Word swag will allow you to easily add graphic elements to your photos. With this app, you will be able to edit awesome marketing images in less than 2 minutes. Social rank. Knowing your audience is pretty tricky business. You can learn more about your audience by looking at what type of accounts they follow, how much they post, and so on. But learning about your audience gets much more difficult once it starts growing into the thousands. And even so, what you will learn about the members of your audience is superficial. Social rank is a marketing tool that will give you insights not about your audience's behavior, but about its demographics, average number of members per gender, age, location, and others. 460. Selling stuff on Instagram has become commonplace, but is a bit of a clunky endeavor. 460 is an app that will allow you to directly redirect users to your product pages from your Instagram posts, making it easier for them to directly add items to a cart without having to look for your marketplace first.